was tired here. We were told that he would surely kill someone because he was so confrontational. It's amazing what a change of living conditions can do for anyone, including a tiger. Since its days are no longer spent on the road or living in a transport carrier, but rather jumping in his pool, napping high on top of his den, chopping at visitors, and participating in various enrichment activities, he is a very happy tiger.
Holiday? That big old cat.
About each of our unique cats, check out BigCatRescue.org.
What? You're not scared of no big old cat. What's next? A homeless poodle. That picture Mama painted of you. He's just like you. Huh? The poodle. Are you crying, Holiday? No, he's okay. Say bye. Holiday. Holiday. Say bye to the camera people. Say bye, internet people. Bye.